Okay, I'm going to try to record the inside of this 7-Eleven. I'm going to buy some ice cream. Japanese 7-Elevens are very clean and very efficient. As of July 9th, 2022, I still have to mask up. All Japanese 7-Elevens have an ATM, a copy machine, and washrooms. They are open 365 days a year. You can pay for things with a credit card, for example, with JCB, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Diners Club, Discover Card, etc. You'll find alcoholic beverages and non-alcoholic beverages. Here you have lots of sake and whiskey, brandy. Here you have regular drinks and power drinks. These are all cold drinks. And here you have beer and chuhai. And here you have fireworks on display. Snacks. Pineapple, 140 yen, 151. Let's see what else. They have nice bentos here. If you want to heat them up, just ask the person there. They'll heat up your bento. Lots of choices. And you can get groceries too. Take a look at the magazines. TV dinners. Magazines. You can buy ice, milk, tea. Okay. Hi.
151円になります。お支払い方法をお選びください。現金を入れ終わりましたら、確認の上、OK ボタンを押してください。レシートをお受け取りください。お取り忘れにご注意ください。どうぞ。
Okay, they have hot water, and you can also rent mobile batteries here. Okay. No complaints from the staff. Excellent. Oh, look at this. Plastic bottle recycle. Isn't that cool? Okay, anyway, I got this new ice cream. It says Coolish. I've had vanilla. This is my first time to have pineapple. It costs 151 yen. Oh shit. Idiot. Oh, that is fantastic. So delicious. It tastes like pineapple. I highly recommend getting this. And the good thing is that it has a cap. You can just close it up, and even if it melts, you can bring it home and just put it in the freezer again, and it'll be ice cream again. Oh, this is fantastic. 130 kilocalories. Absolutely delicious. Especially on a day like this. Finished. Absolutely delicious. That was absolutely delicious. To get rid of the